So just taking a little look at the price of Veracity today. I'm not going to spend too much time going over the price action because I think we're about to get the ETF potential approval for Bitcoin and there's going to be some crazy volatility in the market. But in terms of what we're looking at overall, I think Veracity is doing completely fine. You can see we came down here, we're bouncing at this level at the 0.23. But obviously we could see some crazy price movements over the next few days because of this potential approval that's coming very soon. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens next with this. But overall, I think Veracity is geared and positioned in terms of the long term to do very well over the next few years going into this bull market. You can see quite clearly here if we're looking at the charts. Very nice price action. Really, we're just looking for that next bull market move up to a new all-time high in my opinion. Currently just sitting in and around support. And I do think if this bull market does kick off over the next few months with Bitcoin going into its next halving, as we usually see, we're probably going to see Veracity at some much higher prices soon. You can see obviously the Fibonacci targets are very nice indeed as well. Overall, I think Veracity is doing fine. I'm not going to go too much into this local price action because, as you can see, we're sat at a support right now and we're about to have some very high impact news in my opinion today. But overall, as I've always said, and I will continue to say, Veracity is looking better than ever. The fundamentals are getting very sweet indeed, and it's going to be very interesting to see what happens next. Right now we're just waiting for that, basically, that bounce at that support here in my opinion, heading back up and working the fib levels. So